Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel Naija News and Entertainment. I've got an interesting gist for you today, happening live from the Ultimate Love reality TV show, When Brothers Go to War. Jay is frustrated with what he feels and malicious remarks from Arnold, and he needed it addressed. We all remember the moment Jay reached out to shake Arnold's hand and they later laughed and said he should rather kiss him because he was a Judas. Sharp words for Jay after he and Nkechi nominated Bola 2 weeks ago. Jay laughed out loud and walked away, but as we soon discover that laughter was merely masking outrage. Yesterday, he penned a letter to Auntie complaining about Arnold saying things that makes him feel like a wicked and deceitful person to the public, but pretending to be saying them as a joke. At least this is how Jay perceives it, and perception is everything. Jay signed the letter off, saying he wasn't going to be responsible for his actions if it came down to a confrontation, something that prompted Auntie to get everything out in the open. After Jay got the floor and opened up about his frustration, Arnold was confused and upset, as he would later tell Bolanle he meant everything he said as a joke, and stressed that he never called Jay evil. He also felt Jay blowing things out of proportion was an attempt to get him into trouble. Bolanle showered him with kisses and tried to console him before going to confront Jay, which only seemed to make him more upset, especially after she accused him of putting up his friend Louis twice. Nkechi attempts to talk one-on-one with a man weren't nearly as successful. He shut the conversation down immediately. Nkechi then retorted, "So you talk to Bolanle for 30 minutes, but you won't talk to me," which must have stung coming from his partner. They then silently walked away from each other. On the one hand, we feel Nkechi's pain because she got pushed away when she was trying to be supportive and vulnerable, but Jay was also worn down because everyone was trying to give their 2 cents and mediate the conflict between him and Arnold. What do you think, guys? Is this just nomination pressure bubbling over Jay, or Jay is within his right to be upset by his friend's action? Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section, and if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when the story drops.